In this video, I will show you how to make Google Docs read to you. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So, to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Chrome Web Store, and then from here, go ahead and search for Read Aloud. So, this Chrome extension will allow you to let your PC or laptop read the information entered on your Google Docs. So go ahead and select read aloud from the search result, and then in here go ahead and click on this add to Chrome button, which you'll find at the right side of this. So as you can see, you can actually use read aloud not just on Google Docs but also on other websites where you want to know how to read some words or terms from. So once you have actually installed Read Aloud as an extension, go ahead and click on that, and that will take you into the Read Aloud page. So in here, go ahead and click on this Let's Try button to continue. Now, as you can see, this will pop on your screen on the right side. So as you can see, you can go ahead and find a read this page button that will allow you to let your laptop or PC to read the information entered into that specific page to where you're currently at. And that's basically how you can make Google Docs read to you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.